My name is Mr. Mata. I'm the AVID coordinator slash AVID elective teacher for 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. My contact information, if anyone needs to reach me, is roger.mata@osceolaschools.net. I can also be reached through the Parkway telephone number, which is 407-344-7000, and my extension is 19646. Some of the supplies that you're going to need this school year for face-to-face and as well for online is going to be paper, pencils. You're also going to need color pencils or crayons, dividers. The 3-inch binder is recommended, but any binder will also be fine if you're not able to get a 3-inch binder. If you are online, you will need a laptop. The grading will consist of 60% will be quizzes, summatives, and tests, and the other 40% will entail tutorials, homework, classwork, participation, and notebook checks. The expectations I have for my class are come ready to learn, come prepared, and just have an open mind. I wish you the best of luck this school year, and I can't wait to see you.